friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Nouvelle is a beautiful and peaceful town, located in the heart of the Gaspé Peninsula in Quebec. Situated along the shores of the Baie de Chala, Nouvelle offers stunning views of the bay, its calm waters, and the surrounding natural beauty. Nouvelle was originally settled by French colonists in the 17th century, making it one of the older towns in the region. Over the years, the town has been shaped by the people who lived here, many of whom were involved in fishing and agriculture. Today, you can still feel the town's historical roots in the peaceful way of life, and the charming buildings around town. The town is known for its beautiful landscapes. The Baie de Chala is famous for its mild climate and incredible views. The bay is a perfect spot for outdoor activities like kayaking, fishing, or simply relaxing by the water. Surrounded by forests and rolling hills, Nouvelle is a great place for nature lovers. Whether you enjoy hiking, fishing, or just taking in the fresh air, there's no shortage of outdoor adventures to enjoy here. The surrounding landscape is perfect for those who love exploring and appreciating the beauty of nature. Fishing has always been an important part of life in Nouvelle, just as it has in many communities along the Gaspé coast. The bay and nearby rivers are full of fish, making them popular spots for local and visiting anglers. If you're looking for a place to connect with nature and explore the beautiful Gaspé Peninsula, Nouvelle is definitely worth a visit.
Bye.